Rich features experienced hold 1 to 12 cards. RFID bracket, modular design, backed by a lifetime warranty. Here's a detailed overview of the Rich wallet's dimensions and key features. Rich Wallet Quick Guide. Rich Wallet Quick Guide and Sticker. It's made from durable materials like aluminum, titanium, or carbon fiber. It is very high quality and aesthetically pleasing. Mini screwdriver tool. This is the section for holding cash. Spare screws.
Just push out and you can take a card like this one.
I've prepared about 12 cards.
Okay, so test the warning. So we have 12 cards.
Even after inserting 12 cards, it remains slim and aesthetically pleasing. After adding cash, it still maintains its slim and attractive profile. 5 $20 bills. After adding cash, it still maintains its slim and attractive profile. The size is still acceptable, but 5 bills feel a bit too much. Compared with a physical wallet, this is my personal wallet for everyday use. It is thick, heavy, and large. Placing the two wallets side by side clearly shows the difference in size and bulk. With the current advancements in technology, it's possible to go out without carrying cash. I would recommend the Rich card holder. It's not only convenient to carry, but also lightweight. If you like this card holder, please click the link on the screen to make a purchase.